Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename a shipping method at Shopify checkout using the Next Reorder app. So this is great way to make your delivery option clearer and easier for customers to understand. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So here we can choose shipping method. So for rename, we can click on quick rename shipping method. Okay, here we have to create the rule. So that here I giving the role name as rename the express shipping. Okay, now the rule status is activated. Now we can choose the shipping method. Here I'm choosing express. So here we can change the name, like here I'm changing fast delivery, like that. Okay, here we can see the preview section. The rename is done by the express. So here in preview section we can see here. So that's it. Now we can click on save. Okay, the rule has been created now. Now we can go to the checkout section and just refresh it. And let's see it is changed or not. Okay, here we can see that instead of express delivery, here we can see the fast delivery. The name has been renamed now. So because we here created the rule already. So that's it. So here in checkout, you will see the shipping method displayed with its new name. So that's it. So if your shipping method comes from a carrier, Shopify may require you to keep the carrier name as a prefix. So this is a Shopify limitation. So some shipping method can't be renamed completely. So that's it. You have successfully renewed a shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.